Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound during calls on the Motorola Moto G67. So if you're not getting any sound out of your phone, like whether you're in headphones or just out the speaker, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix that. And the first one would be to check volume. So let's say you're in a call or just using the phone. You can use the volume buttons to open up this little menu right here. And if you tap on the three dots, it's going to open up this volume mixer where you can change the volume of certain things in your phone. So for example, we have things like the alarm, a ringtone, phone call, phone call volume, and sound, music, media, whatever. So you can check all of the how all of the volume sounds, and just make sure to turn them all the way up, because if they're all down like that, that means that the sound is turned off on your phone. So make sure to turn them on like this, and that could be the issue that you're having. So the next thing you can try doing is disabling Bluetooth to rule out the connected devices, which means that your phone might be connected to a Bluetooth device that's in your vicinity, and that's the volume where the volume is playing, or where it's trying to play the sound. So make sure to just disable Bluetooth by going to the control panel, expanding it, and then clicking on Bluetooth, and then clicking the toggle. And now the Bluetooth is disabled, it's going to disconnect from all of the devices and pretty much try and play the sound on your phone. So the next thing that you can try doing is cleaning out the speakers. We have one speaker on the top and one speaker on the bottom. Just try cleaning them out with a soft, most probably non-metallic brush. So maybe something is stuck in the speakers that's preventing the volume from, the sound from playing, and that might be the issue. So just make sure to clean it out and test it out after that. And if you're having issues with the calls, so for example, you cannot hear any sound in your phone app when you're calling someone, try using something else like WhatsApp or Messenger or any other app that does the same things. Now you can do pretty much the old reliable and just restart the phone by going to the control panel again, expanding it, clicking on the power icon, and then hitting restart. So that will restart your phone and basically reset everything to its original state if anything's been altered. And maybe that also resolves your issue. So let's just wait for the phone to turn back on, and we'll continue with the few other tips that I have. So the phone is back on, and the last thing that we can try doing, if that didn't work, is resetting the network and Bluetooth settings. So if you reset the Bluetooth settings, it might resolve the issue by maybe disconnecting from all of the devices that you've connected previously to your phone. So to do that, we're going to open up settings, and then scroll down to System, then select Reset Options, and select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset, and that's pretty much going to reset only your Wi-Fi options and your Bluetooth options. So all of the previously connected Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices will pretty much be reset, and you're going to have to connect to them again. So just hit Reset, and once that's done, that might help you with your issue. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.